Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to another video with my Scrapbooking with PL Cards mini series. So with this one, this is going to go fast again because I've done a lot of work. Now, the reason why I've done a lot of work with these layouts is because I actually created this in October or November last year. And I was just kind of scrapbooking on the go. I work outside of the home, and the work that I do lends itself where I have maybe an hour or so time, just my own time, and so I usually bring some scrapbooks or things from home to work on. And so I was working on this at work, and I was debating if I wanted to do a series or I wanted to do videos on it, and then I just decided that I will do some videos. So most of the work on these pages that I'm showing you are already done because I wasn't doing them while I was filming the process. But anyways, going back to this, this is kind of similar to the previous layout where I used some cut files, but this one didn't use any letters. It just used that kind of photo strip type of cut file, and so that's what I did here. And again, I backed that up with some Project Life cards. And then I also did the same thing that I've been doing, which is kind of using the Project Life cards as a mat, but this time I cut the cards into triangles so I can make it into kind of photo corners. And that's good, especially if you have some 3x4 cards that you want to back up on 3x4 photos. Of course, they're the same height or they're the same size, so I cut them in triangles just to extend them so that you can see them behind the things that I wanted to focus on. And these photos are of my son when he went to the dentist. I just thought that it was really cute that he gave me a smile, and that was before they did the dental procedure to him, because after that he wasn't smiling anymore because he wasn't happy, because he was in pain and all that. But I also decided to use some kind of foiled, I think it's that the smile and that kind of chevron on the top, there's a little bit foiling on there, and I wanted to use that up because I don't usually do specialty papers, but I figured in small doses that will work. And the smile, of course, fits perfectly with the theme of my layout. And I also, so the photo strip cut files that I made, I actually made that myself in Cameo. There is items on the sides of it that's open, and so I just used some leftovers of the PL cards that I cut out to go in the back of it and used them as banners to decorate the side. And then basically I just added some stickers, and then I'm going to add some hard enamel dots and also some circle enamel dots here just to finish it off. So that is my page. I hope that you guys are liking these videos, and if you have any suggestions for future mini-series for me, please don't hesitate to drop that down in the comment section below so that I will get some ideas on what you guys would like to see me do in the future. And other than that, I will catch you guys on the next video. I have one more from these series, and hopefully I'll be able to do some other I'll be able to share some other videos in the month of January. So I will catch you guys another day. Bye!